In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to look at problem solving related to scientific notation. So the first problem that we're going to look at is from the 2012 paper 1, and it's question 3 part A. So we're told, given that 1 billion is 1,000 million, find the sum of 3.6 billion and 700 million. We need to give our answer in the form a multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where n is a natural number and a is greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10. We need to note that when we're given this symbol here, it shows that we have to show all of our work. Therefore, we cannot just plug these numbers into the calculator and find their sum. We need to show how we find our answer. Okay, so to start, we're going to write out our 3.6 billion. So it's going to be 3600 000 000. Okay, so that's our 3.6 billion. We know that that's true because they told us 1 billion is 1,000 million. Okay, so we're finding the sum of 3.6 billion and 700 million. So when we add these together, we're going to get 4,300 million. Okay, now we have to work on changing this number into scientific notation. So the first thing we do is our part A. We find a number between 1 and 10. So that's going to be 4.3. Then we fill in multiply by 10. And now we have to find the power. So we count the number of spaces we've moved the decimal point. So it's at the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 4.3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 9. The next problem we're going to have a look at. It's from the 2011 paper 1, question 1 part B. And it's just the first part of that question. So we're told that the diameters of Venus and Saturn are 1.21 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4 and 1.21 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5. Then we're asked, what is the difference between the diameters of the two planets? Give your answer in scientific notation. So, if we're asked for the difference, that means we're subtracting one number from the other. So we're going to subtract 1.21 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5 minus 1.21 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4. So let's expand these numbers. If we expand 1.21 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5, it's going to give us 121,000, because we've multiplied it by 10 to the power of 5, minus 12100, because we've multiplied our 1.21 there by 10 to the power of 4. So the difference between them is 108,900. So we need to write this in scientific notation. So we need the A part of the number. So this is the number between 1 and 10. So it's going to be 1.089 multiplied by 10 to the power of, so we count the number of times we move the decimal place, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it's 10 to the power of 5. The next question is from the 2010 paper 1. It's question 3 part A. So we're asked to write the reciprocal of 10,000 in the form 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where n is an element of z. So n is an integer. Okay, so the first thing that they ask us for is the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of a number. The reciprocal of 10,000 is going to be equal to 1 over 10,000. So, just as a side note, if we have a fraction a over b, the reciprocal is b over a. So here we have the number 10,000, and that's really over 1. So the reciprocal is 1 over 10,000. So the way that we can rewrite this is 1 over 10 to the power of 4. So to rewrite it in the form that they want us, this is going to be 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 4. So just noting that if we have 1 over x to the power of 2, that's equal to x to the power of minus 2. So if we have 1 over 10 to the power of 4, that's going to be equal to 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 4. For more information, visit www.PositiveMaths.ie, email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie, and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.